Alright, in this next video, we're going to be taking a look at terminating and repeating decimals. You will need your toolkit. You're going to want to take notes in there, and you are also going to want a calculator. So go ahead and pause the video and grab the things that you need. Alright, so the first fraction we're going to take a look at is 1/6. So to find out if it's terminating or repeating, we're going to do the division where the fraction bar is. So you're going to do 1 divided by 6. And that should give you 0.16666 forever. So this is called a repeating decimal because the 6 portion is going to continue to repeat. So we would write that as 0.16, and we would put this bar atop the 6 to tell us that it repeats instead of writing all the 6's like I did the first time. So now we're going to take a look at 5/8, 2/3, and 5/6. Go ahead and copy those down on your paper and do the division and write what you get. And then check back to see if it matches what I have. Alright, so you should be checking back in, and for 5/8 I got 625 thousandths. That's how you read that. Most of you would probably just read it as 0.625, but the 5's in the thousandths, so it's 625 thousandths. It does not continue on past the 5, therefore it is a terminating decimal. It stops after that 5. Let's take a look at 2/3. 2 divided by 3 gave me 0.6666666 forever. So the 6's are what's repeating, and I have a repeating bar above both of those 6's. And the last example I gave you was 5/6, and when you do 5 divided by 6, you get 0.83333. So the 3 is the part that's repeating, so therefore I only have the repeating bar above the number 3 in this decimal. So you need to be careful where your repeating bar is, that it's over the numbers that are repeating. The 8 is not repeating, so it's only over the 3. So I have 3 repeating decimals in this example. 1/6, 2/3, and 5/6 were the repeating ones, and our terminating decimal was 5/8. Okay, so this is the last slide for this video. It's not a very long video, and it's a very easy concept. We have terminating decimal, a decimal whose digits end, and a repeating decimal, a decimal which has a pattern in their digits that repeats forever. If you could copy those two into your toolkit in Chapter 1, that would be great.